Hey entrepreneurs! Starting or growing a business can be expensive, but what if I told you that you could save thousands of dollars using powerful, completely free software? In this video, I'll reveal the top 7 free tools every entrepreneur needs in 2025, from business management to marketing, productivity, and even AI-powered solutions. Make sure to watch until the end because some of these tools can replace expensive paid alternatives. Links to some of these tools are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. Let's get started. Number 1. Trello, best for task and project management. Trello is a simple yet powerful tool for managing tasks, projects, and teams. Whether you're a solopreneur or running a startup, Trello's drag-and-drop interface makes organizing work effortless. You can create boards, assign tasks, and track progress in real time, all for free. Next up, Canva, best for graphic design and branding. Every business needs stunning visuals, and Canva makes it super easy. With thousands of free templates for social media posts, logos, presentations, and more, you don't need to be a designer to create professional-looking content. Third, Suno AI, best for AI-powered music and content creation. Suno AI is an innovative AI tool designed to help entrepreneurs and creators generate music and audio content effortlessly. Whether you need background music for videos, podcasts, or marketing campaigns, Suno AI's free features can help you create professional quality audio without hiring a composer or spending a fortune. Fourth, MailChimp, best for email marketing and automation. MailChimp offers a free plan that lets you send emails to up to 500 subscribers. With pre-built templates and automation, you can engage your audience and convert leads into customers. Number 5, Notion, best for productivity and team collaboration. If you're looking for an all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, databases, and team collaboration, Notion is a game changer. Entrepreneurs can use it for everything from project planning to personal to-do lists, completely free. Next, HubSpot CRM, best for customer relationship management. Managing customer relationships is key for business success, and HubSpot CRM gives you a powerful, 100% free platform to track leads, automate follow-ups, and improve customer engagement. Lastly, Pexels and Unsplash, best for free stock images and videos. Need free, high-quality images and videos for your website, presentations, or marketing? Pexels and Unsplash provide stunning visuals that you can use for free, even for commercial purposes. While they don't require attribution, it's always a good practice to credit the creators when possible. These 7 free tools can help you run and grow your business without spending a dime. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Links to some of these tools are in the description. Check them out if you're interested. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos on business, tech, and entrepreneurship. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.